Hey guys, welcome to the video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the channel. Today we're giving a full deep detail to an alloy wheel. It's surprisingly in depth, not just a case of washing and drying as you might think. We're going to start by sliding some latex over our skin to protect it before getting our hands around the first one to spray out. We're using this collection of tools and chemicals for a smooth experience and a truly deep detail. To begin, we're going to cover the surface of the tyre and the alloy with an all-purpose cleaner. In this case we're using G101 by AutoSmart. Most of the products we use are available to buy from Amazon. Links are in the description below. Following a short soak, the wheel is then hit fast and hard with the pressure washer's capable lance. It's important to get in deep and give it a good wiggle round to get to all the surfaces inside. Using the bristly spoke brush, the alloy itself is given a good scrub to get it as clean as possible before the next step. With the smaller round detail brush, it's important to get into all the nooks and crannies of the wheel and get it as clean as you possibly can. Lastly, the larger tyre brush comes into play, agitating the rubber itself and leaving that nice and clean with nothing on the surface, ready for decontamination. Purple Rain Iron Fallout Remover by Auto Bright. We're going to spray it all over the wheel and the tyre itself and allow it to soak in for a few minutes to do its thing. Yet another shot from the pressure washer for a final time. We're now ready to start getting the wheel dressed. This is Dirtbuster's Wheel Wax and provides a protective seal to the alloy along with an amazing glossy shine. Applying it like most polishes, a small bit on the cloth goes a very long way. You just need to massage it into the surface of the wheel, making sure you cover all of the edges. Leave it to dry out for a few minutes. It hardens on the wheel and is then ready to be polished off. If you get any on the tyre, a damp cloth with a small amount of all-purpose cleaner will take it straight off for you. Lastly, we're going to use Car-Pro Pearl on the tyres to give them a protective coat and a high gloss shine. Using a microfiber applicator pad that we've squirted on, we're going to rub it neat onto the tyre directly, being sure to get in the edge where the tyre meets the alloy rim. agree that the wheel looks better than it did when it was new, and it's had the best protection from all the splatter that will hit it from the road and other passing cars. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching.